been eating this green moss your whole life, as it's hiding in one of the most common foods on Earth. Because over 2,000 years ago in ancient China, the process began by collecting this vibrant green algae found in freshwater lakes, which were then washed and thoroughly cleaned. Because after it's chopped into small pieces, it'll soon become something used in restaurants all over the world, as it's then mixed with water and poured over a fine wooden filter. And as the impurities and excess water drain below, this thin mushy layer slowly forms above, which is exactly what they're looking for. Because after adding some sesame seeds, it's then dried over a fire for several hours, transforming it into these crunchy sheets we all know as seaweed.